Hi, this is Jeff from the IT department here to talk to you about the Polycom IP 331 telephones that the IT department will be placing around campus in the summer of 2013. This will be the most commonly used phone that's on campus, and you can get more information about it on our website at eou.edu/it/phone. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do today is place or answer a phone call. So obviously the easiest thing to do is pick up the phone, dial a 5-digit number, connect your call. You can also use a speakerphone, which you can use this button, or you can hit line 1 or line 2. And for any off-campus calls that you're going to make, you don't need to dial 9, you don't need to dial 901 for long distance any longer. Just dial the area code and the phone number, and it connects your call. And just to let you know that long distance within the continental United States is now free. That's 48 mainland states. That excludes Hawaii and Alaska. International calling rates would still apply. So the next thing I'll show you is how to get your voicemail. As you can see from the light, we have a new voicemail message. There's a couple of ways you can get to your voicemail using the phone. The first one, of course, is to hit Menu, Features, Messages, Message Center. Or you can also dial, I'll just go back, *99, and then follow the prompts.
Password.
And your password, the default password is always going to be 0000, but we recommend you change it as soon as possible.
You have one new message. Press 1 for new messages. Prep first message.
Hey, don't forget about the meeting later.
Press 3 for advanced options. Press 5 to repeat the current message. Press 7 to delete this message. Press 8 to forward the message to another user. Or 9 to save this message. Press star for help or pound to exit.
We'll
Message deleted. No more messages. Press 3 for...
And another thing to note is, like I said, you should change your voicemail password as soon as your phone becomes active. Later on in the video, I'll show you a voicemail map that gives you instructions on how to do that, how to change your greeting. And one of the features with this is you'll also receive an email for every voicemail that's left on your phone. So if you're away from your desk or if you're home and you're waiting for a call, you'll get an email with an audio file attached to it so you can play it at home or whatever, and you won't miss a call. The next thing I'll show you is the directory, and there's 3 different directories that you have to choose from with the phone system. The first one is an online directory that we have on our website. That website address is eou.edu/directories, and from there you type in the first and last name of the party or enter their department. The second way to do this is to dial for the voice prompt. So we'll go to speakerphone, dial *11, and follow the voice prompts.
Welcome to the directory. Please enter your party's first or last name using your touch-tone keypad. Use the 7 key for Q and the 9 key for Z.
So we're going to go ahead and search for me. So my last name is Carman, so we'll enter that. C-A-R-M-A-N.
Jeff Carman.
Extension 23293. If this is the person you are looking for, press 1 now.
And that connects the call. And the other way to do this is to use the directory on what's called the soft keys here. So if we click that, you can scroll through the contact directory, and you can edit this if you want. We'll have another tutorial on this, but once all of the phone numbers are ported, all of them will show in this contact directory. So if you're looking someone that starts with a J, you can do a first letter check so it gets you closer to that. So there's C's and so forth. So the next thing I'll show you is how to transfer a phone call. So you see that I'm on a call right now currently, and the soft keys are showing end call, transfer, and conference. So the transfer call, it's just like it was in the past. You'd hit transfer, dial the number that you want to transfer the call to, And then when it starts ringing, I mean, you can either do a blind transfer or stay on the line, tell the person you're transferring to who the caller is, and then hit transfer when the call's done. So as you can see, I'm on a call right now. And again, the soft keys are displayed here. So this time we're going to do a conference call with another caller. So we're going to hit the conference button. We're going to dial the person's number that we want to conference in with. And as soon as they connect the phone, we just hit conference. And now we have a three-way conference with the two callers. So, and this phone will do up to two additional parties, so 3 lines total. So that's your line plus 2 other parties. And when the conference is done, you just hit end call. The next feature I'm going to show you is redial. So on this phone, we're going to hit dial, and it shows the last few placed calls that we've made with this phone. So with the phone system before, we can only do the very last call that we placed. We can go as far back as there have been calls, so you have that option. And like I said, use the scroll buttons to get back there. And the very last thing I'm going to show you today is the Do Not Disturb feature on this phone, which basically just means when you enable it, all incoming calls to your phone will go directly to voicemail. So if you're working on something, you need some peace and quiet, that's the way you're going to do this. So first you hit menu, and then features, and then scroll down to Do Not Disturb, and enable it. You can either hit 1 or the checkbox. And if you want to take it off of that feature, you just go back into it and then disable it. And that's how you do it. And as you can see here, you might have heard some of the voicemail prompts. This is the voicemail map that I mentioned that you can download from our website to, set up your messages on your phone, record your name, record any temporary messages, or change your voicemail password. And you can find that at our website. It's eou.edu/it/phone. You can also shoot us an email at the help desk or call us in the help desk phone. Hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.